Yo, it's your boy. You know, I'm always doing these type of videos. Okay, so Nintendo Switch has Hulu. So if you got the Hulu package, I think even Hulu Live TV, you'll still be able to stream your live sports. As you can see, the football game on right now, and there's a Major League Baseball game on right now. If you don't believe I can watch it, let me get into it. Let me tune in real quick. Finna load up. This game is live right now. Dodgers and I think the Diamondbacks. Dodgers in Arizona. This game is live right now. Playing it right now on my Switch. You're live. See? Alright. Now, let me go back and show you guys that I can watch the NFL game on ESPN Plus with my Hulu account. My Hulu bundle. Live. This game is on right now.
You can see Russell Wilson trying to speed him up, and the timing of it for the lineman and everybody else, nowhere for him to go, and he lays it on the ground. To the delight of the 70-year-old Pete Carroll. Seahawks by 4.
All right, but that is live, though. Y'all know the Seahawks and stuff playing. Seahawks and Broncos, see? All right, now check this out. I just got a new package added on to my Hulu ShowTime. Okay, watch this. This is airing right now on ShowTime. I just got the 99 cent for the next 2 months. 99 cent a month. ShowTime added on to my Hulu bundle. For 99 cent for 2 months. I'll do a separate video. But I'm just showing you guys right now. This is airing right now on ShowTime. Live. Okay? I got all this on one app. All this on the Hulu application. Alright? Right on my Nintendo Switch. Right on my Switch. I'm just showing y'all a quick video. The next video, I'm gonna tell you guys about the bundle and how to get it, how to get the ShowTime added on to your Hulu account. So I got ESPN, I got Hulu, I got ShowTime, and it's one more I forgot to show you. They didn't bring it up yet, but I think it's in here somewhere. It's Disney. Okay, I got the Disney Plus bundle. It's like, I mean, it's a little cluttered. Don't get me wrong, it's a little cluttered in here, but I do have Disney Plus. I mean, I got anime too. See, I mean, I got anime. I got the Last Dance in here. I got that ShowTime sleeper cell. You know what I'm saying? I got the Godfather Harlem. I got live ABC News. So, man, y'all sleeping on Hulu. Get the Hulu package, and then don't forget about YouTube Premium. Okay, I also got YouTube Premium. I got YouTube Music. I got the YouTube Originals, and then I got YouTube ad free and stuff like that. So, to be honest, that's all you really need. I mean, yeah, I still got my Twitch game, and you know, I still got my Twitch, and I still got my Crunchyroll for all my other anime like Dragon Ball Z and stuff like that. Funimation, the same, you know. But those are very, very affordable subscriptions. So, and of course, I got the Nintendo on. So I'm stacked. I'm stacked. This is my multimedia go-to for right now. I mean, on the go, and then I could watch this stuff in my car, in my whip. I don't need all that fancy touchscreen stuff. This is my touchscreen. You see what I'm saying? I got videos about that on my YouTube channel. So y'all go subscribe to TuPhones free, man. And I'll talk about this more on my Nintendo, not my Nintendo, but my gaming channel too. Holla at your boy.